In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the address format in Zoho Invoice. Whether you're personalizing your company's details or refining how your customer information appears, these steps will help you tailor the address format to your specific needs. Let's start by logging into your Zoho Invoice account. Your username and password are your gateway to accessing all the customization Zoho has to offer. Once you're securely logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. This icon serves as your settings hub, and it's essential for making changes to how your invoices look and feel. Next, locate and click on General Preferences under the General tab. Think of this section as your home base for customizing various elements within your account. As you scroll down, you'll find the Organization Address Format section. This is where the magic happens for adjusting how your company address appears on invoices. It's especially beneficial if you have international clients or if you want your invoice to reflect a specific branding format. In this section, you can reorganize existing placeholders such as city, state, and postal code by simply dragging and dropping to change their order. If there are placeholders you find unnecessary, feel free to remove them. Keeping things minimal can significantly enhance clarity. If you want to add more fields, use the Insert Placeholders dropdown. This feature allows you to include additional details like address line 1 or address line 2, providing you with flexibility in your customization. Once you're content with the layout you've created, make sure to click Save. This action ensures that all your thoughtful changes are applied effectively. Now let's shift our focus to adjusting customer addresses. For this, you need to navigate back to your settings and click on Customers. Within this section, scroll down until you find the Customer Billing Address Format section. Here, you can customize how the client billing information appears on invoices, which is vital for ensuring each document looks cohesive and professional. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll gain full control over both your company and customer address formats in Zoho Invoice. Customizing these details not only enhances professionalism, but also improves clarity for your clients. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.